I mowed the grass today. Living in North Carolina is so weird. It's so weird. Like, mowing the grass the first week of March? What the hell? Hey everyone, it's Adam here. Ah, that's better. Now we're in our happy place. How are you all doing? Hi. I've gotten skinny, as you can tell. Hey, I should share while I'm actually talking about my weight. I've lost 43 pounds. Good for me. Like 10, 15 more to go. But I'll be there by like June, basically, at this rate. Great news. Great news for you, not for me. I have purchased, I bought these a year ago. This, the Badlands Pro A3 and Potter Clay XL jacket and a 38 regular pants, the Badlands A3. They don't fit me anymore. They don't fit anymore. I'm too skinny for them. And so I've spent more money ordering a size 34 and a large jacket. And I don't want to jinx myself here, but I don't think I'm going to need these anymore. So they are for sale. So if you want them, if you see this video like 5 years from now, they're not for sale anymore. But if you want them, please let me know and I'll send you an email or something. My email address is in my my profile. I have some work to do, so I have to prepare the way for some good things. I got to hang some stuff up, put some helmets away, recycle, I mowed the grass today. I got to sweep this area out and get it all ready. And I got to put all my tools away and get all this area cleaned up. It's kind of a mess. Yeah, I got a project happening. So the project is this bike. It's getting stripped. I know its riding season has already started. That's a stupid thing to do in March versus like I should have done this in December. But you can ride year round down here, so I didn't really think about it. But yeah, a whole bunch of stuff has to happen. Well, not necessarily a whole bunch of stuff, but you know, the lights need to come off, the windscreen needs to come off, the bunch of farkles, risers, mirrors, hand grips, the boxes. That's easy. Yeah, just stuff has to come off of this thing. Bunch of stuff, really, if you think about it. But some things like are coming off on their own. Like, totally forgot I did that. Actually, I need to actually. That was rattling like quite a bit. The bars stay on. The outrider bars, they stay on. So what's going on? Hi, what's going on? I really wanted to surprise you all, but I couldn't wait. I'm selling my GS. And someone in the audience is like, oh no, he had a kid. It's a fire sale. Get rid of all the motorcycles. Sell the R18. Now he's selling the GS. Oh my God, this guy's lost his mind. Not really, no. But so if you want Rosie, I think Rosie has like 31,000 miles and, you know, recent oil change, everything is up to date on the maintenance. Tires are still have plenty of life in them left. So if you want, are these tires any good up here? I can't use those. There's a TSC 80 up here too, isn't there? What the hell? If you want to buy Rosie, please let me know. I'm serious. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you'd like to buy this motorcycle, the good news is this. Rosie is going to have it's going to have brand new suspension. It's down there. Brand new suspension. So takeoff suspension. That's OEM. 0 mile suspension. So even though this bike has 30x thousand miles on it, the suspension is brand new. So that goes back on the bike. These luggage racks are also brand new. I just put them back on. And it also will come with a seat with 0 miles, pegs, shifter with 0 miles, the OEM windscreen, the OEM hand guards. It'll come with the crash bars and stuff. I'm not going to strip the red off of it. That's on you. I just don't. It's expensive to strip all this stuff back to bare again and then coat it. So it's going to be on you. But I'm thinking like 15 grand. That's what I'm thinking. 15 grand is what I'm thinking about selling it for. And you'll get a bike that's been maintained meticulously. you'll get a bike with brand new suspension, which is a big one. So you're not gonna have any issues with suspension. Yeah, so if you want this bike, let me know. I'm gonna list it on Cycle Trader in probably a week or two, but if you, but I will give you a much better deal than the site. Cycle Trader, I'm listing it for 16, but the no nonsense price for you all that watch the channel is 15 grand. 2018 GSA, the last 1200 GSA, but the first GSA with a TFT screen and auto leveling suspension. So it's kind of like a 1250 without the 1250. So it's everything the 1250 has, minus the motor. I think it's 1 mpg less fuel economy. So this is a very quick video I'm doing here, but yeah, just that's all I'm going to say for now. I'm selling the GS. I've sold the R18 too. So if you put 16 grand with 12 grand together and you do the math, because I sold the R18 for 12 grand, I'm selling this for 15 or 16 grand. Put those two numbers together and you get a magic number, and that's what the new bike costs. So yes, Rosie's going away. Yeah, but I need to sell it quickly though, because I don't want to hang on to a bike that I'm not going to ride anymore. So this coming 7 days, I'm going to be putting the GS Rosie over there in the corner, and I'm going to yank a bunch of stuff off that I just installed, like the suspension, the rear shock and the front shock that were just replaced. Those are going to come off, and I'm going to put the OEM back on. And then all these boxes have a bunch of OEM parts in there. They're going to go back on. So some of these parts I'm going to keep and repurpose. That's the whole that's the whole video. That's it. 701 LR is not going away, despite the fact that, man, I have gotten some really fun, like unsolicited messages, emails from people about selling it to them. And no, I'm not going to sell the LR. It's been a fantastic motorcycle. It's a 701 with a big ass tank. I love it. Suspension is set up for me. It's a great motorcycle. It only has 4,000 miles. Fantastic motorcycle. So no, the LR is not being sold. Heather 750 GS. It's up in New Hampshire. It's registered in New Hampshire. She's going to go home. She's actually going up next week for 2 weeks, and she's going to ride her GS up there. And we're going to be in New Hampshire all of June, all of July. So she's going to ride her GS up there while we're up there for the summer. But Rosie is for sale. So if you want her, let me know what you want her for. I have the title, so come buy Rosie. And you guys know how I am. It's going to have a detail before I sell it. All the maintenance was just done like 1,000 miles ago. So she is ready for anything. And I encourage you to come buy her and enjoy the bike, because I can't. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. And in about 7 days from now, next Friday, I'll do a different kind of video. But I need this bike stripped in the next 7 days, because a lot of shit's arriving. I think I have like, if you ignore the money I just gave Climb, if you ignore what I just gave Climb for new clothes, I think I have like $7,000 or $8,000 worth of Farkles arriving next week. But you guys know how I am. I think Rosie has, I did the math once. Rosie has like 18 grand in Farkles put into this, if you include like all the paint and powder coating and special other stuff we've done. But yeah, a lot of work's going into Rosie, and hey, my loss is your gain, right? So buy her, buy Rosie. Let me know if you want her. And I'd like to move Rosie out of my garage by mid-May. So, you know, if you start thinking I'm getting desperate and drop the price, well, you can wait till mid-May and then offer me lower than I'm asking, which is 15 grand. But I think 15K is fair for Rosie. I really do. The only thing on there that's really a wear item that's still stock would be, like I even just changed the brake pads, would be the clutch. Clutch is still original, but I mean, 30K on a GS clutch isn't that bad. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Ride safe and buy this motorcycle.